Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am SilynthiaBudgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop down below so you can check it out if you like. Also, for the month of February, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels, and I will link that February freebie as well, so you can grab it if you want to join us for the Galentine Savings Challenge. Today, I wanted to go ahead and set up my high priority and get through this as smoothly as I possibly can and as quickly as I possibly can. I've been still under the weather, but life is going on. You know how this goes. So at the time I'm filming this, it is actually Valentine's Day, so I have a lot going on today after work. Happy Sunday, because that's when you would be seeing this. Let's count up what we're stuffing. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. All right, so we got $151 that we're working with today. That is pretty close to what I was expecting to be working with. So let's write out a quick little budget. My weekly expenses typically stays the same, so we should not have to fuss with that. This is the paycheck, like I said, Valentine's Day for 2/14, and so mommy will get $10, gas will get $20, household will get $10, pets will get $10, and laundry will get $10. So we are working with $151 part-time. 151. Let me see, this Sharpie's not writing very smoothly. Okay, so let's put $5 into utilities, $10 into internet, nothing to phone today, insurance. Oh, okay. So I pulled money out for insurance, but insurance should have stayed in the bank. Yeah, I think it definitely should have stayed in the bank. Okay, subscriptions, $5, memberships, $10, giving us a total of 5 plus 10 plus 25 plus 10, $50. So I will go ahead and put that money for my insurance back in the bank. So we have 151 minus 50 minus 60. So for savings, we have $41 today, and I kind of have an idea of what I need to do with the savings because I do have letter books that I'm working with. So that helps us quite a bit with making sure we definitely know where the money's going. Let's do this. Let's set this. I don't think we need the ones quite yet, so we'll go ahead and set. Let's just do this. Okay, I think that works. We'll go ahead and start with our weekly expenses. So I've been carrying my little minis. It's been working for me because I switched my purse again. Mommy's getting $10. Gas is getting $20. Household, $10. Pets, $10. And laundry, $10. And I'm not certain if I'm going to need to use my spending money to do laundry. I missed my good laundry days. I skipped them, and I haven't made it to the laundromat. So I was thinking, well, it's time I'm filming this, maybe I could go tomorrow, but we'll see how that goes. So that's for my weekly expenses. All right, now let's move on to our bills. Okay, so utilities is getting $5, and utilities now has $20.45. Internet is getting $10. And now we have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. All right, and the phone is not getting anything. That money is completely funded, and we have $11. All right, and insurance, I put the money in the account so that way I could be ready to make a payment. And because it's been coming out not on the same days, it's been so off that I just figure as soon as it's completely funded, leave that money in the account. And so I'm gonna have to take that 20 out and put it in the bank. Subscriptions, $5. And I'm working on decreasing my subscriptions. And miscellaneous, which is my memberships, is getting $10. And we went ahead and made our payment, or no, the money's in the account to make the payment for our YMCA, which we have not been going, so I'm not certain it's been worthwhile paying the $46 to have it, but I don't want to turn it loose until after spring comes around so I can see how we're doing when, you know, we have longer days and it's a little bit warmer weather, where I'm not feeling like I am right now. So we have $10 going into memberships, so we're working on for February's payment. Okay, so that's good for our bills. And then we will, how should we, let's start here. All right, so I have a goal to make a $20 deposit for my Save 225 in 2025. So we're going to add another $20. Which is awesome because this savings challenge, I'm making some progress, and I'm so stoked to see that happening. Perfect. Then we can move on to, let's just go ahead and grab our letter books. So we're going to grab first the letter B, which I'm saving for Vincent, my son, for his birthday. This savings challenge is actually in our shop. It is a little bit bigger. I shrunk it down to make sure I could fit it into this little photo album. But I wanted to use the savings challenge. All right, so I'm looking for B bucks. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. All right, so we have 5 B bucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'm just putting this money aside so when their birthday comes around, I can give them some cash. And then also I have an envelope started for them. We're going to do a little something special. I was hoping we would be able to travel, but I'm not certain how that's going to work out for us. Next, we're moving on to D-Bucks for Victor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 5 D-Bucks. I try to make sure that these two, because they're my kiddos, have the same amount of money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't want to spoil one and not the other, so and I was also thinking I may have to start splitting these letter books up because they're getting kind of chunky. All right, and I know I have one ebook, and this is, oh, let me put this back. Let me put it back. All right, so my ebooks are for Ethan, and he's all the way in Texas, but I want to make sure I'm saving for him. His birthday is not until December, but as soon as this is completed, I'm sending it to his mom, and she can decide how she wants to save it or what she wants to do at that point. All right, so but once it hits $50, I'm sending it. All right, so my K-Bucks, I have one K-Buck, and this is my special savings. Basically what I decided is I'm going to put it into my PTO or safety net. So we have one more going in there. Originally it was going to be for a special gift for myself, but I figured it's better, it works out better if I'm actually putting it towards something that I need versus something that I want. All right, and then this is the Galentine Savings Challenge, which we have going on this month. And I'm not going to roll the dice. I just have $5 this week, and I'm just going to put $5 in because I don't want to do an IOU. So we're adding $5. And this is the Freebie Savings Challenge for the month of February with the collaboration of ladies that I mentioned. So grab it if you're interested in using that savings challenge. And then lastly, we're working on our knockout savings challenge. I was putting together goodie bags, and you can tell because, yeah. Okay, there's the aftermath on my desk. Okay, so let's see where we are at this point. I think we were working on round 8. Yes, we're working on round 8. So I'm going to try not to babble so we can get through this. Let's see here. Okay. Perfect. All right, so we've completed round 8. All right, and round 8 saved me $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. And I've mentioned this before. This savings challenge, you can save however you want to save. I'm doing $1 each envelope every time I play it. However, you can follow the instructions. You can adjust it for $10. You can adjust it for $100, whatever works for your budget. But I found that this works best for me, especially because I am trying to work on other savings challenges. If this was the only one I was working on, then I would totally try to put myself in a position where I am putting in higher numbers. So the next time we get back together with this savings challenge, we'll work on round 9. And I will say, the further along you go with this savings challenge, the easier it gets. So that's something to really look forward to, especially if you don't have a lot of money to work with. We've completed our knockout savings challenges, our Save 2025, Save 225 in 2025, our letter bucks, as well as our Galentine savings challenge. So excited to see that moving along. Also, our weekly expenses and our high priority bills. What else did we do? Oh, we went over our budget. I'm glad we did that. That's something I'm trying to get into a habit of doing, so I can reflect and look back on it. Now, for those of you who haven't noticed, my budget is laminated, so I write on it with my Sharpie and then I erase it each month, so that way I can put in my new numbers. But if I need to reflect, I have this video diary of what took place. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for coming back again. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.